additionally to the bodybuilding training or strength training, I recommend to add those exercises. They're gonna help you to feel better and target your glutes and alignment in the same time, so improving your posture and mobility. It's very important that at least once a week you're gonna target in here. Make sure you're gonna stabilize, yes, your hips in a position, yes, to be able to get this better position during the squatting and squat deeper and safer, protecting your knees in the same time. How do you feel after training?
Adam, thank you so much. I feel that my glutes are activated. Now I'm ready to kill my workout. Guys, this is something that you should definitely try before hip thrust, lunges, squat.
To feel your glutes more.
Feel your
If you want to build the glutes like that, you need to do them.
Thank you, Adam, for killing my glutes. They're on fire.
Hello guys, welcome from the site is Bodyfix by Adam. In today's session and video with me is Vera.
Hi.
And we're gonna show you the best techniques to be able to target your glutes more efficient. So stay with us and watch this video. What kind of challenges do you see with your clients whenever they train in the gym? What kind of exercise when they do to target the glutes, they have a problem with the activation?
So most of the time, clients are challenging to activate their glutes before exercise like hip thrust, deadlift, squats. So let's show them what they need to do.
So we're gonna show you what you need to do to be able to activate your glutes and increase your performance in the same time. So now after the mobilization, we need to go to activation phase. So this is activation exercise for your glutes. So all is about the pelvis work. So if you're gonna be able to bring back the pelvis in the proper position, yes, then we can activate more glutes and disactivate the hamstring, yes. So being in this position when the legs are hanging on the box, we have more chance to activate our glutes and disactivate the hamstring in the same time, yes. So what we can do from this position, hands are down. What we want to create the space under the lumbar spine. So we're gonna create like you're creating a breach in here, okay, open, open, open. Then you close that space, you're turning pelvis to the posterior pelvic tilt, and from this position you should feel already glutes, yes. So first we train only this, yes. So again, open, 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 open the space, okay, and then relax and go to posterior pelvic tilt. You should feel the glutes, yeah, not hamstring, yes. So this is just the pelvis rotation, yes, going from anterior to posterior pelvic tilt is very important for us to be able to feel the glutes, and at the same time this is a great exercise to mobilize your lumbar spine. So for all those people who has a lower back problem issue, this exercise is gonna be very efficient. Very important. Yes, and then from here we wanna target in. Do you feel the glutes from this position? So when we feel the glutes in this position, then we can drive up, go, 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 go all the way to the straight line, like hip hinge, yeah? And like, hip thrust, yes? So this is a glute bridge, yes? Same things primary goes for the hip thrust. So we want to get this pelvis rotation, activation for the glutes to feel them, and then driving up, yes? And then going down. So 3 seconds up and then go. And again, posterior pelvic tilt, then driving up, holding, holding, holding. Knees should be straight and feet straight as well. Do you feel in here? Should be on fire, yeah? So to check if it's working, we can check with the hand. Yes, this one is working, hamstring shouldn't that much working, yes? And again, going in, go up, go up, go up, and down. And we want to go down, 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 yes? And then turn on, again, holding, holding, holding. And then go, 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 holding, holding, holding. Yes, legs straight. That's it. One more time. Okay. And then also very often we see that the one side is more stronger than another one. One glutes, yes, and hip we're gonna feel much more than another one. What we need to do? Then we need to lift the leg up. One we're lifting, so that one what we're lifting, yes. So on this side we're gonna work. This one we're gonna go on fire. And we're gonna do the same thing, yes, going down, yes, activate. So go to posterior pelvic tilt. Now this side is gonna be directly on fire and it's taking the whole weight, yeah. It is going on weight, yeah. So this is the way, yes, the fundamental exercise comes first to be able to fix our alignment, our position of the pelvis, and get this, yes, neutral face for our, yes, position for our pelvis in the same time, get the balance and proper strength on the both sides in the same time to equalize, yeah. Okay, and you're feeling, yes? Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side, yes? So here, this one is in, okay, holding. And with this exercise, you're directly gonna feel that the one side is doing better than another one. So then we know that we need to focus on the side which is weaker and repeat more, give more repetition, yes? And we go, and hold it, good. And then we go down. And again, we go turn on, driving up, holding. This one is in, yes, and then down. And again, 1, 2, turn on, go, okay? And then from here, what we can do, we can go to negative position. So we're gonna lean our hip to this side, and then we wanna put it back in the same time. So you see in here, it's leaning to the side, then we wanna turn on, and driving higher here. Okay, yes, and we repeat 10 times, yes, but the leg is here, okay, go now, up, and then you will feel that whole this hip in here on the right side is getting, yes, you're gonna work much more, here and then up, yes, we're gonna go lower to this side, like this, shifting, and then driving up here, yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, yes, feeling, yes. So then we know that one side is exactly working. Always isolation work is gonna be more, yes, better for us to equalize the strength, yes, and bring the balance for the pelvis. And other side, yes. So, okay, now this one is working, yes. So then we're shifting to the side and then driving up, good. Shifting, driving, up, 1, 2, 3. Shifting, up, and going, 1, 2, 3. And where do you feel? Lower back and glutes and hips? Yes, perfect. Going. Yes, also this is a good exercise to strengthen your lower back, support. In here we have also core work, yeah, so at the same time core, lower back, and glutes. So everything what we need to strengthen before we're gonna start lifting weights to prevent our injury. To prevent from the injury. Yes. Go. Hold it. Oh, this side is stronger, I think, yeah? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Holding. Okay, and that's it. Yeah? All right, good. And another exercise. Yes, so we're gonna go. We're gonna lay on the box now. Okay, make sure that the heel is gonna be together here, and then when the knees are starting from here, and then we go up. Yes, go lifting. Now press your heels into each other from here, compress, and fully extension. As we can see, glutes are fully working here. Yes, also going up, 1, 2, 3, and going down. Yes, I will do about 15 repetitions in here. This full extension, yes. So we strengthen the extension for the hip and glutes in the same time. Yes. Plus bring center, yes. So we're gonna strengthen our here pelvis, bring stability here. 1, 2, 3, and going down, and going. 1, 2, 3, down. Yes, then we can also, one leg we can extend fully, one we want to press to the box. So one we pressing to the box strong, this one extending, and then on 3 you're changing. 1, 2, 3, switch. Another one. Yes, exactly. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, switch. Hold it. Compress. 1, 2, 3, switch. Yes, 1, 2, 3, switch. Good. 1, 2, 3, up. Yeah, so from here, what we have, one side we're gonna strengthen the hip flexor and the hip on the front, and from the other side we're strengthening the glutes. Yeah, so generally we want to work on our better hip function. Okay, and also it's a nice exercise to decompress your spine. So all this position laying on the box, when you hear you are relax more, relax, you can stretch nicely your whole spine. So additionally to the bodybuilding training or strength training, I recommend to add those exercises. They're gonna help you to feel better and target your glutes and alignment in the same time, so improving your posture and mobility. Okay, how is it?
That was nice.
All right. So now we're gonna show you the exercise which can help you to build the lateral glutes and hip strength in the same time. It's gonna activate your glutes, so it's gonna really put on fire, and it's gonna help you to stabilize this position, yes, for our pelvis. This is very important whenever we do squatting, to be able to provide our, yes, knees outside. Yes, often we see that the people, whenever they're squatting, the common mistake is that the knees are going inside, yes, into the cave-in. So this exercise is gonna help you to turn on your hip rotators, to be able to get this nice squat position with the open knees out. Yes? Okay, so we're gonna lay down on the side. Yes, and knees are gonna be in the 90 position. Yes, in here. Then we're gonna place the ball between the feet. Now the feet needs to press into the ball strong to be able to stabilize. Why we use this ball and the band in here? To be able to fully engage our position, yes, and target our hip rotators and abductors more in that side. So lateral, hip and glute strength. Yes, and then we pressing here, and then we going up, holding, and down. Yes, in here is very important isometric, yes, contraction. So full focus on that area, and then we're gonna feel, yes. Also very important, if you feel in here engagement in the hamstring, that means you need to go back to myofascial release. So the exercise, mobility exercise, which we show you at the beginning of the session, to go with the foam roller directly here to loosen up that area, to be able to engage and activate those muscles more, yes? That's why we do this step by step. We're starting from mobilization, then we go to activation, and then integration, the movement, yes? And then we compressing and go, fully, and up, yes? More we compress and stabilize 90 degrees, make sure you have this proper position, then I'm sure you're gonna feel this one working much more, yes? And we already feel, yes? Remember that the glutes are not only the big area what you see on the back, so gluteus maximus, but also we have a gluteus medius and minimus, which are located more on the side of the hip. So that's why also it's very important to strengthen them properly. They're gonna give you better strength also and build up your total glutes. Yes, so by working on those smaller glutes muscles, you're gonna be able to reach your effects and results.
Burning.
Yes. And other side.
Did you see how much I struggle with this?
Yeah.
I cannot open
first
it,
time,
and I'm shaking like this.
Yeah.
Wow.
So often we can see that even athletes or, yes, the people who train very active, yes, they also may have a problem with, yes, this one can be weaker. Why? Because we tend to avoid training. Yes, so it's very important that at least once a week you're gonna target in here, make sure you're gonna stabilize, yes, your hips in a position, yes, to be able to get this better position during the squatting and squat deeper and safer, protecting your knees in the same time. This exercise especially is gonna be very crucial to do before you're gonna go to do squats or deadlift, to get the right position for your and alignment for your knees. Okay, here, okay, and we get it. All right, perfect. So we are after our session, when we were activating and targeting our glutes better to be able to get them turned on during your training and be more efficient. What's your opinion? How do you feel?
Adam, thank you so much. I feel that my glutes are activated and I'm ready to kill my workout. Guys, this is something that you should definitely try before your workout. Hip thrust, squat, lunges, deadlift, to activate your glutes and to feel them more during those exercises.
If you want to build the glutes like that, you definitely make sure you're gonna involve those exercises as a warm-up routine to prevent injuries and build an amazing body. See you guys. If you like this content, share this with your friends and comment below. Thank you.
Thank you, Adam, for killing my glutes. They're on fire.